Good morning, Victoria.
Good morning, Egon.
Victoria, what are the appointments of the day, please?
Egon, you have 3 this morning, and 1 this afternoon, at 9 with Hello Eyes, at 10 with...
What the hell is that?
I don't know, but it's very strange. You want me to go see, although I'm afraid.
I will see. Nothing, no one.
What is that noise?
I don't know, there was no one. Thank you, Jessica, see you later.
Good morning, Bug.
Good morning, Victoria.
Good morning, Steve.
Good morning, Victoria. Are you okay?
Yes. Yes, I am okay.
Have a nice day, Victoria.
Thanks, Steve. Have a nice day too.
Damn. Please stop this noise and tell me what you want. But who are you?
You insult me.
Of course no, I don't know who you are. How are you in?
Yes, you insult me.
No, this is impossible. I never insult anyone.
I am here for you. Because I love you.
You love me, but I am married.
You are not married.
No, I am not. How do you know?
I know everything about you. Everything?
But I don't know who you are.
I am looking for you for so long. I was your love in a past life and another one too. I lived several lives with you. I saw you die many times in my arms. I saw you dying.
Oh, sorry, please don't cry. It's okay, don't cry, please. What is your name?
My name is Susie. I feel you every day and every night. I feel each of your thoughts, each of your sadness, and all of your love for me.
You feel all this for me? I feel a strange warmth in my chest, and in all of my body.
Do not worry, Egon, it's normal. It is the energy of love that you have for me, and I feel the same.
I feel something very strange. I remember, you are in my dreams. Several times, I dreamed of you. You are my twin flame.
Yes, I am your twin flame. It was not dreams. You will be the only one who can see me. I will be with you every time. You should just call me by my name. If you agree to give me your love, you will not go back. It will be forever.
Susie, now I know, I love you.
Egon, I love you forever. Remember, I will be with you every time. Just call me.
See you tomorrow, Victoria.
See you tomorrow, Egon.
Citizen, good evening. The situation is serious. What happens? I think I dreamed. It can only be a dream, a very strange dream. A very beautiful girl. She told me she loved me. His name is Susie. Susie? Susie? It was not a dream.